To do your warm-up strokes for the leg, we're actually going to use a little bit of cream. Lotion works good. The skin of the foot is a lot different than the skin of the leg, so we're going to apply that cream there. Take a little oil. We're just going to kind of warm everything up. Follow that line that you gave yourself for draping. Okay? And come back down. And all we're going to do is just warm up the foot, warm up the leg. And this is just to say hello. So kind of an encompassing feeling. Turn, follow your line of your drape and around and pull back and push. Follow your drape. And then we're going to turn around and do some work for the foot.